Okay, so the last thing that we're going to go ahead and do is install Apache ANT. So I once again went to Google, Googled Apache ANT, and this is one of the first things that comes up, binary distributions. So we're going to go ahead and download the zip file of 1.10.5. So we're going to go ahead and save as. Okay, save. So we're going to wait for that to finish downloading. Okay, I'm going to right click, extract all. And I'm going to go ahead and extract it in my program files instead. Oh, jeez. Select folder. We're going to do Apache ANT extract. All right. And we're going to go ahead and let's go ahead and open up our system variables because that's the last thing we need to do. It's the only thing we need to do with ANT, really. Right, this is almost done downloading. Okay, here we are. I'm going to open the bin file. I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to go ahead and put that new, paste it. Okay, and I will also do it down here. We're going to do edit, new, paste. Okay, okay, and okay. All right, and that is all we needed for the Apache ANT. So this video is finished. I'll actually have one more video to show us how to compile our project now that we have everything installed.